Welcome to Crescent Hammer YouTube page. This week, changing out headlights. This one's been good. Headlights work, everything alerts. This one, not so much. Let me show you. That one's supposed to be on. It's not. That one's on. It is. This one's all foggy and kind of crappy, so I'm going to change them out. The easiest way to do this is take this off, take the grill out, move those headlights, because they got to come out this way. They're kind of stuck behind there. But so I'm going to take this little plastic thing out, that bolts. I think there's another bolt right there. Take this little grill out, change the headlights out. Now I got to use my Pelican, some kind of bird pliers, my Kiwi pliers, to pop these little pins out of here. Just squeeze them, and then it should pop. The grill off. Now I need to remove the actual headlights. There's a bolt right here, and a bolt down here. Or yeah, there's a bolt down here. And there's one inside the fender that you have to loosen but not take out all the way. I got all of the bolts undone. See if I can slide this dog out of there. This bumper is right so close to the light that the little lip on the bottom of the light is hitting the bumper before it slides out. So if I loosen the bumper, slide the bumper out a little bit, I should be good. Okay, I'm gonna have to take the bumper. That made it pretty easy. They just fell right out after I got the bumper off. bumper's installed. All the bolts are torqued down to yes. Headlights are in. They're torqued down to just a little bit. Now let's put the, gotta put the air horn back on and the grill back on. Alright, that wasn't as nearly as satisfying as I hoped it would be. I know, this wasn't the most exciting video, but you made it this far. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.